Welcome back to the Forestry Tech. This is awesome. I love how they turned a simple idea into something so effective. This wood cutter is incredibly efficient, and it really shows what you can achieve with a bit of creativity. Great! It sounds like you're interested in the talon debris shears, specifically mentioning the Model 40, as a way to increase productivity and make the job of clearing tough stumps and logs up to 40 inches in diameter easier. The key benefits you've highlighted are: smooth, efficient operation, designed to handle tough debris. Capacity, can handle stumps and logs up to 40 inches in diameter. Simple installation/removal, Model 40 uses your machine's existing hydraulics. Goal, more productivity, less hassle. In real life, the combination of the sheer height and width of the logs, the roaring engine and bulk of the semi-truck, and the sense of raw power and weight would likely be much more intense and visceral than seeing it on a screen.
Bulldog.
It takes a truly phenomenal combination of skill, guts, and precise control to maneuver those huge trucks safely down a mountainside. They really are masters of their craft, constantly judging weight distribution, road conditions, and using engine braking to keep things under control.